Over the last 30 years, social norms in Ireland have evolved. This has not happened by accident. It has occurred through oppressed groups standing up for what they believe in and ensuring visibility and solidarity with supportive allies. We aim to continue that process. In order to pave the way for future generations to live in a more equal and open society, it is up to all of us to act. Trans people are an integral part of society and deserve to be free from violence and harassment. Standing up means being seen, changing minds through awareness, leading by example and speaking out. Now is the time to support trans people and intersex people to make change in their lives. Together, everyone's lives can improve.
Yes, I've had two hate crimes against me. One was in a store.
Once walking past the taxi driver shouting out, saying, "What are you, a man or a woman?"
I've been stopped from using toilets. I haven't actually been stopped from using changing rooms, but I have been nervous about it.
And my second one was that I was in a store here in Limerick City, and in front of 8 people I was told I went to try on a garment in a particular lady's shop, and after picking out the garment and told that there should be no problem, this assistant manager came down and told me that sorry, this is for women only and not for anyone else, even though I was dressed fully as a trans woman, as who I am. And there was 8 other customers in there that seen the whole episode, and I felt really humiliated, and I just walked out of the store and cried my way home.
Well, I didn't care, to be honest, but I kind of felt for the little one, because she was embarrassed.
Well, I mean, I've been shouted at in the street. People have shouted at me, "I can see your balls." I mean, you can say what you want, but that has been shouted at me a number of times by the same person. And on occasions I've been with my mother, and it's been terrible for my mother to hear that.
Just in this particular store, I just feel more nervous. I've lost my thing about having a bit of bravery in myself. They've just eradicated my hope as far as hoping that things will get better, and they've really hurt me, that I feel as though I do feel uncomfortable going into these establishments in the future.
I did to the tax regulator, and they followed it on to the guards.
Oh, it makes you very, very anxious, because you're wondering then, it just makes you nervous. You're wondering then, walking down the street, who else, is there somebody else taking photographs, or...
So unless I have a few people with me that will help me, and I know for sure that places are more friendly, trans friendly for myself.
Well, I reported to STAD, which is Tenny's online reporting system. I've also been to the guards and my solicitor as well. The guards said, well, hate crime doesn't exist, and technically it doesn't, so that's something that's in major area need of law reform, really.
It was liberating. I felt very liberated that before, how I've transformed myself inside. Like, since I was born, I felt that I have started my transition from when I was born, not just now, into who I really am. I felt liberated. I felt that I actually made a stand for myself, but I'm hoping in time it will be a stand for everyone that is trans, that is in the trans community, that it will put precedent there, that things will improve in the future.
When you come to the GOSHH headquarters, you will be greeted by a member of staff.
Hello there, I'd like to report a hate crime.
Okay, if you want to just come with me for a few minutes, we can have a chat in the room. If you want to just go in and have a seat.
Okay.
Any information that you tell us will be kept private and confidential. We are non-judgmental, and we will help you whatever you need help with.
We're here on 18 Davis Street, which is our offices, which is the GOSHH offices. We're based just across from the train station. It's the street directly across when you exit the train station. We can be contacted on 061 314 354, or you can email us on lgbt@gosh.ie, with GOSH spelled GOSHH. You can also email info@gosh.ie. So what we're here to do is to help people. We support people who are trans, lesbian, gay and bisexual. We're here to support people to report hate crimes. The number of trans people who experience hate crimes is huge, and what we are here to do and to talk about is to help people to report this to the guards. So the guards are situated on Henry Street for the Limerick City base, but we would also help you report in the Midwest region, which is Limerick, Clare and North Tipperary. So what you can do is either pop in here to us, email us or ring us, and we will help you to support you to report. We will either contact the guards on your behalf or we will assist you in reporting it to the guards.